Hi guys, welcome back to the new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change button color in the Squarespace. So let's get started. First of all, go on this your site. Now once you're in, you have to go on the design and click on the site styles. Now here you have to go on the colors and click on the edit palette. Here you have many palettes, you have to select any one. You can also change the color from the palette editor. Once you change the color, you have to click on the done and save the changes. So yeah, this is how you can change button color in the Squarespace.